I moved into a house with my 3 dogs in October. Now I realize that I have really tall foxtail growing in my flower bed. I have sprayed with Roundup. I also use Weeds Be Gone granules, which I watered down really good. I Googled foxtail and was upset to see that it can be deadly to dogs. What can I do to get rid of foxtail so my yard is safe for dogs? I am too old to dig and do yard work. And this is Miss Beverly. So, Joella, we go to you first.
Yeah.
What do you think? I mean, this is a situation.
You definitely need to get rid of, because we've talked about animals and plants before.
Yeah.
So you really definitely want to get rid of it as best you can. And if she can't get out there, well, can't she get some fabric, some landscape fabric and or black plastic, and just do sections where you put it over the top of them and let Mother Nature kill them that way. Put a mulch, pull mulch on them, get somebody else to come out and help you maybe pull them, and then put some mulch down. But you've got to be able to get rid of them if you
want animals,
want animals in your backyard. So you've got to find some way to either cover them, with a mulch or with some plastic, or then you can, or you're going to have to enlist some friends maybe to come over and help you pull them up, and then, maybe some pre-emergent down so that if any of the seeds have gotten on the ground, that it would help them.
She's using the right chemicals. Because there's the Weed Be Gone that is a liquid that I think has a little better action than the granules. But if she pulls them, she can pull them till doomsday. There's still going to be seed in that soil. So what you said about the plastic or the mulching, it's going to be a job. And foxtail is a bad thing. My son had a foxtail. He lives out in California, so there's weeds everywhere.
Wow. Okay.
And it was in his backyard, and he noticed his dog limping. And he took it to the vet. Sure enough, there was a foxtail that was working its way up that dog's leg.
How about that?
They're real sharp. And they can get in their paws, and it travels in the dog. So he showed me a picture of it, and I was like, oh, that looks awful. And they had to do surgery to get it out.
Wow.
And then he got really militant because he loves his dog.
Sure.
And he really got, onto the foxtail thing. And I hate to tell you what he did. He got a propane gas tank and one of these weed torches and just torched the backyard. Yeah. I don't know, he maybe didn't get a permit to do that. But he said that he is getting it under control. But it is a perennial thing.
Foxtail is tough. There's been some research here, with UT.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Jeff Vi and Becky Muller. And it is, farmers giving them fits.
Thing,
it is tough.
And it is all over.
It is tough to get rid of. Yeah. Seeds, a lot of seeds. Deep, root systems.
If you've got animals in a pen and you have foxtail, you really need to keep a close eye on them.
Yeah, for sure.
Because the first indication for James that his dog had this was just the limp. Wow. And then it never went, he'd look, couldn't see anything. Finally took to the vet, and there was that foxtail coming up through there. It's just really, bizarro.
It is. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.